People pay rich tribute to Jananeta Hijam Irawat on his 121st birth anniversary. Eight trafficked minor Manipuri girls rescued from Myanmar. Police arrest 6 persons involved in their trafficking. Government officers and people join Prime Minister Modi's Swachhta Hi Seva campaign by organizing cleanliness drive. And Law Minister Jayanta Kumar stresses role of lawyers in delivering justice in the society. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The 121st birth anniversary of Hijam Irawat was celebrated in various parts of the state, with leaders cutting across party line and people paying rich tribute to the leader who fought for the freedom of Manipur and equality among people. Ministers Thongam Biswajit, Karam Shyam and MLA L. Rameshwar had appeals to the people to follow in the footsteps of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat and strive to realize his dreams on the occasion of the 121st birth anniversary of the leader. The observance was organized by Laishang Hidden Protection and Development Authority at Laishang Hidden Heritage Site at Kyamgaipal, Ahanbi. People offered a floral tribute at the statues of Hijam Irawat and Angom Ibungo Hanbi. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit urged the people to work hard to take the state forward as dreamt by Hijam Irawat. He said the government needs people's support and cooperation to make its schemes successful. He maintains that it is not the responsibilities of the ministers and MLAs alone to bring development in Manipur. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam said Manipur will progress only when the ministers and MLAs think like Hijam Irawat.
At least dedicatedly sacrificing spirit, I would say, how cooperation be police sama
Parliamentary Secretary L. Sushindro today announced that a park in memory of Hijam Irawat will be built near the Manipur Legislative Assembly at Chingmairong. Sushindro was speaking at the 121st birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat, organized by Manipur Rolterit People's Democratic Union, Socialist Students Union of Manipur and Struggle Committee Manipur at Kashampat Lairembi Community Hall. He also said being truthful is one of the virtues of man, and this virtue will bridge the gap between the people of hills and valley. He urged everyone to contribute something to bring a change in the society. 6 journalists were also awarded in recognition of their contribution in the field at the event. Editor-in-Chief Impact News Yumnam Rupa Chandra has been awarded Thia Megachandra Journalist Award. The award was presented to him today on the occasion of the 121st birth anniversary of Hijam Irawat, organized by Irawat Celebration Committee at Iboyama Sumang Lila Shanglen Palace Compound. The award carries a citation and 20,000 rupees. 7 other persons were also presented awards in recognition of their contribution in different fields. People from various communities took part in the event and offered floral tributes to the leader. Several schools, cultural troupes and organizations took part in the march past. State Secretary CPI Manipur State Council Dr. Moirangthem Nara said, Lamyanba Irawat struggles for the protection of the integrity of the state.
Ujik quiz the Lamjing Binaba later Lamang Naraba, Maikay Kangdan Chalva Praja Magum Udabra, Prajana Tajaba Mishakama, Luching Bani Habisibukana Lady, Chung Tok Chung Jin Togdaba Mish di Yao Yoroktre, Maduai the Nine, Prajana Hangarisha, Kanano, I Quagil Luchingba, Mabusiel Sengba, Song Tok Chung Jin Tauroidova, Miam the Yabamasung, Katok Patana Talaba, Luching Basibu, Kana Kanano, Ningre de Prajagi, Tamui the Pauba, Prajana Mangba Asha Amanine. Madungam no Honabasi, Laide, Madudani, Irabotis sacrifice, Maki Tormo Tabuk Punamatuna, yet never later Miam no Ure, Maramaduni, Miam Punamangasi, Maki Palon Sida, Asukam Tawa Yauribasi.
Irawat Ningsing Thoram Observation Committee Manipur under the aegis of Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM also celebrated the birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat at the ground of Socio-Economic, Athletic and Cultural Organization SIACO at Yai School Janmastan today. Speakers at the observance recalls the contributions of the freedom fighter to freedom struggle and the welfare of the peasants. They also described Hijam Irawat as a leader who worked with a nationalist and communist ideology to bring equal development of all communities in the state. People offered floral tributes at his portrait. Kiamgai Youth Pioneer Club Kiamgai Haibong Makhong observed the 121st birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat. People offered tributes to the leader on the occasion. Hijam Irawat was born this day in September 1896. Also known as Jananeta Hijam Irawat, he was a politician and social activist. He wrote journals and poetry as well as plays in which he also acted. He was also a sportsman. He fought against social injustice and led the second Nupi Lan of 1939. In the June or July of 1948 election to the Manipur Assembly, Irawat won from Utlo constituency. The Department of Art and Culture and Lamyanba Hijam Irawat Memorial Charitable Trust also observed the birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat at Pishumthong Oinam Lekai. People offered floral tribute at the statue of Jananeta Irawat. The birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat was also observed at Ima Kondong, Laidembi, Harabung in More. Meitei Council More, All Community Development Organization More, All Manipur Students Union MSU Tengnopal, Kha Nongpok Apunba Nupi Loop More, Nupi Khunai Chaukat Lamjing Loop More, Muslim Women Development Society More jointly organized the event. Manipur Apunba Loop Kolkata MALP also observed the birth anniversary of Hijam Irawat at Manipur Bhavan, Kolkata. Arabti Development Association held a blood donation camp at Arabti Iremgai Laibung in connection with the birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat today. Around 72 persons donated blood at the camp. Yening Animal Foundation YAF organized a blood donation camp at Grims in connection with the birth anniversary of Hijam Irawat. 12 donors gave blood at the camp. YAF holds blood donation camp every year on this day. Members of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit offered tributes to Lamyanba Hijam Irawat on his birth anniversary at the unit's office at Babupara today. North East India Development Party NEIDP also observed the birth anniversary of Hijam Irawat at their office in Tera today. Floral tributes were offered to the leader. Imphal West Police Commando and volunteers of Imphal Municipal Corporation today cleansed the drains of Khoyathong, Mau Kaitel and its surroundings on the birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat. Corporator of IMC, Ward number 3, S. Nutan Chandra said the drive was carried out with the objective to maintain the Imphal city neat and clean. He also appeals to the public to extend all possible support in keeping the city and its surroundings neat and clean.
Police Department officers singi isinau singa municipal corporation matam chupra kusan na chali adu parjamiya na gyan tabi dabdi door to door collection laiba aikoi NGO sina yaubi aduga nangapan gi area sina fatauti hundok na tawbi ganu masi aikoi routine naina tha gi oina aikoi chathana bai aikoi sem sajari aduna parjagi hambala pili fatauti langtok pangasi degi lepiro aduga Imphal city luna nana thamda bhona na police department gi officers sing lokhaliba municipality lokhaliba thabak thawm sing asida mateng pangbiu haiba wafam sina aikoi na parjamiam da aikoi nong wafam si thamjariba.
In yet another incident affirming trafficking of minor children from the state, 8 trafficked minor Manipuri girls were rescued from Myanmar and police arrested 6 persons involved in their trafficking. A team of Social Welfare Department and State Home Department officials rescued the 8 minor girls who were being trafficked in Myanmar and brought them back to Imphal today. Meanwhile, police has nabbed 6 agents involved in the trafficking of the minor girls. The rescued girls are from the interior parts of Churachandpur district. The trafficked girls were kept in Myanmar for some time before being taken to Singapore and other Southeast Asian countries. They were rescued and brought back in the state by the team of Social Welfare Department and State Home Department officials under tight security at Imphal International Airport today. A team led by DCSP of Churachandpur district and officials of Social Welfare Department received the girls at the airport and conducted necessary verifications. Later, they were taken to Churachandpur for further official procedures. According to family members of the victims, the agents took advantage of their poverty and took the girls with them, assuring them of jobs.
Yangon through Indian embassy, they've been and then they came to Kolkata, and officers from the district administration and social welfare department, they went there with the help of Impulse NGO and one Childline NGO and district police and Indian embassy in Myanmar. They were rescued. Now they are being taken to Churachandpur for necessary formalities and their assimilation in the society. They were in some sort of training hostel. They were there. In Yangon? In Yangon. Some formalities are to be observed. So
India program officer, state program officer, ICPS ko. Aduga ngasagi marase sorry mana Childline Bishnupur gi ibani se deputed toroga department na ngasagi angang singje kano dagi Kolkata de lokthok puchap paningrang se ko. Chapada angang nipan sengrang moi Yangon gi embassy na toroga airport thungale ngarang nungdang khak hol toroga sine pujarai se khoina. The whole process sida ngasagi yam part lori sing ngasagi koi Manipur gi home department and DC Churachandpur yam actively ko they involve moina adagi even Childline adagi angang je Yangon da moi shelter pira thambani hayan han police na lokhala kanda ko adu kanda khoiside purakpa da moina su yamna mateng chauna pi Impulse NGO na su.
As part of Swachhta Hi Seva, a cleanliness drive was carried out in and around Agriculture Department at Sanjintong today. Speaking during the cleanliness drive, Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Sohail Akhtar said one must take it as a responsibility to keep the surroundings neat and clean. He said although people keep their houses neat and tidy, government employees do not have the habit of maintaining their offices neat and clean. He urged the employees to take responsibility and keep their offices clean. It may be mentioned that the Prime Minister had called upon the nation to begin the campaign Swachhta Hi Seva, Cleanliness is Service from September 15 till Gandhi Jayanti.
ये पब्लिक ऑफिस होता है, यहाँ पब्लिक भी आती है. अगर हम अपने ऑफिस को साफ नहीं रखेंगे तो इसका क्या प्रभाव सामने वाली जनता पर पड़ेगा वो भी एक सोचने की चीज़ है. और इसलिए एक अच्छा कार्यक्रम है, मगर ये कार्यक्रम सिर्फ आज कल और परसों में ख़त्म नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. ये एक अनवरत कार्यक्रम रहना चाहिए जहां हर ऑफिस वाले को ये ध्यान रखना है कि ये ऑफिस उसका घर है और उसे साफ रखना है.
तसेंगना मसिगी प्रोग्राम से याम फबा प्रोग्राम ने आई का आई ड्रेनेज में याम सेंगदोक्तना अखोगी हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम लेतनबा सही खुदिंगी मियामना इसा इसा की रूम सिंग इसा इसा की का सिंग कोई ऑफिस की ओइबा मनुंगी कैंपस लुना थंबगी पांदम दुदैदा मसिगी सुंबा प्रोग्राम जे कोई पांथोक सबने.
Imphal East District Administration and League of Kalo Patriots (LCP) jointly held a social service as part of the Swachhta Hi Seva campaign today. Surroundings of wards number 21 of Wangkai constituency and bordering areas of Yai School constituency were cleaned during the drive. Deputy Commissioner, Corporator and members of wards number 21 and volunteers of League of Kalo Patriots took part in the cleanliness drive. DC Imphal East T.H. Chitra said the drive was carried out in line with the Prime Minister's call upon the nation to take part in the campaign Swachhta Hi Seva, Cleanliness is Service from September 15 to October 2. She said it is necessary to keep the surroundings neat and clean. She also maintained that one needs to think clean apart from keeping the surroundings clean. Chitra also administered a pledge to stay neat and clean to the volunteers on the occasion. Moray Commando Unit, led by Assistant Commandants of IRB Commando T.H. Krishnatombi, conducted a cleanliness drive as part of the Swachhta Hi Seva at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gates number 1 and 2. Myanmar Police also carried out cleanliness drive on the other side of the border. Directorate of Information and Public Relations today joins the Prime Minister's campaign Swachhta Hi Seva, Cleanliness is Service by cleaning the office building today. The staff of the Directorate, led by Deputy Director Tongtham Noyon, cleans the surrounding of the Directorate complex at Marangkhom and Kashampat, and the drive will be continued till October 2. Sai NERC, Imphal, NSS, Manipur University and Nehru Yuva Kendra NYK carried out a cleanliness drive as part of the Swachhta Hi Seva campaign today. Drains of PCTC oil pump and Hotel Imphal were cleaned as part of the campaign. International football player Mangleng Thang Zhao kicked off the cleanliness drive, which was participated by 300 volunteers. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. National Cleanliness Day is observed every year all over the country on October 2, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. In her message, the governor appeals to the public to contribute their best to ensure peaceful coexistence and to make all-out efforts to keep their body, mind and soul clean, besides cleansing their surroundings. Now it's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news updates. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan launched an e-cycle for the first time in Manipur today. The e-cycle launch was held at Wang E-Services Hulikal showroom at Kakwa Makha Boroi Makong Sorok Maning. The environment-friendly cycle can run a distance of 30 kilometers when it is fully charged in 1.5 hours. The cycle comes in 5 different models with a 1-year warranty. Facilities to convert all cycles into e-cycle are also available at the showroom. Law Minister Langulakpam Jayanta today stressed the role of lawyers in delivering justice in the society. Speaking as the chief guest at the one-day legal awareness program organized by Tribal Students Union LMS, a law college at the Amity Hall, Adim Jati Complex, Chingmerong, the law minister said no one can be above the law. He told the law students that they have to play a big responsibility when they become lawyers. He said young lawyers must know the reason why lawyers are addressed as learned. A lawyer must fight a case sincerely. Jayanta Kumar also appeals to lawyers to prevent corruption and work towards delivering justice in the society.
Ukil orakado wakangu singda kamai tawna responsibilities karino atla kamata ebe wangada haibagi adu makhalgi function ni legalness moino ukil loitana like tamalorani moi ukilorani moino court thork baganda professional ethics amasung responsibilities of the lawyers man ukilo baganda ukilo ina daita kai lawgadage society da ukilo ina moi professional ethics karino habese satro ide ba kangu singda madu aware ohenba and habita.
PhD Minister Losi Dikho today stated that it is a good sign that the number of Mao students in Imphal is growing. He was speaking on the sidelines of Freshers' Day 2017 of the Mao Youth Students Organization at Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong. He maintained that students of Mao were first reluctant to come to Imphal due to continuous turmoil in the valley, but it has changed over the time. The minister said this can be seen from the growing number of Mao students in schools, colleges and university. He maintained that this shows love among different communities and return of stability in the state. Students performed various cultural items at the event.
People are feeling very free, and then they are coming more and more year by year. So I'm so happy. Today is a gathering to welcome the freshers to Imphal, and see particularly in my area, that is Mao area. Students, they really love to come to Imphal because Imphal has become very developed in the field of education, and we all know that, but because of confusions and situations earlier, they were confused to come, but now they understand, so a lot of people are coming in, and in different colleges, universities and different institutions, a lot of students are coming, so we're so happy. You can see the number of students increasing.
MLA D. Korungthang inspected the ongoing construction of ICP Moray. The MLA saw the construction of the building since 9 a.m. today. A contractor told media persons that the bus terminal building and roads will be completed by October 15. However, the MLA expressed doubts that it will be completed as scheduled. D. Korungthang asserted that the delay in completing the construction will affect the business in the state. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Maina today flagged off a team of 6 students and 2 teachers from Pukhao Gram Panchayat who will be representing Manipur in the 3rd India International Science Festival IISF to be held on the theme Science for New India at Chennai from October 13 to 18. The 6 students participating at IISF are from Little Rose School, Sagolmang under Pukhao Gram Panchayat. It may be mentioned that Pukhao Gram Panchayat has been adopted by MP Dr. Thokchom Maina to make it a model Gram Panchayat under Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana SAGY. With a successful performance of the first knee joint replacement surgery, Shija Hospitals and Research Institute has become the first private hospital in Manipur to have its own house surgeons. After having successfully performed the first knee replacement surgery in June 2012 with experts from outside the state, Department of Orthopedics, Shija Hospitals and Research Institute performed the second knee replacement surgeries for the first time by its in-house orthopedic surgeons on the 22nd of this month. The joint replacement surgeries were performed by a team led by Dr. Iboyaima PH, consultant orthopedic spine and joint replacement surgeon, and Dr. Ibobi L, senior consultant orthopedic spine and arthroscopic surgeon of the hospital. The knee replacement surgeries were performed on 2 female patients aged 63 years and 62 years from Imphal West District. Speaking to media persons, MD of the institute, Dr. K.H. Palin, maintains that they have been working towards improving medical facility, cutting-edge technology and equipments in the state. He said many people from the state go to different parts of the country for education and healthcare. Shiza Hospitals and Research Institute has advanced in these fields. Dr. Palin asserted that the successful surgery is a big relief for the people suffering from the ailment. The surgery cost 1,50,000 rupees inclusive of hospital charges at Shiza Hospitals, while it cost not less than 3 lakh rupees outside Manipur.
Private hospital da private ki doctor na khu shinbagi operation ji handaki sina ihan hanbani adugi je significance laiba loinana Manipur dagi humpu deina cham bhaugi mapan da satna laing iba kudongcha da sathok sasingi paisagi da su chawrangna khoi ni yeng ba takhai khani khuisna hongi hai tare mapan da supa maroina koi medan da gum ka medadi sathok sasinga pullagal pa lak ahum gum sangi akhoi sida handak tawhibadu loina mak pullaga lupa la amaga lising yankhai muksan hai se implant yaure hidak langta oi leibi yaure operation ki pangtha khotaba implant da maman chang ama yaure.
Sumati Bala Ningthaujam of Hairok Part 3, Mayai Lekai, has been appointed the chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, MCPCR. She will hold the position for 3 years. A Freshers Meet Cum Felicitation program of All Manipur Medical Students Association was held today at the Classic Grant. Today, as speaking at the event, Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantakumar appeals to doctors and students to work sincerely. Managing Director of Babina Diagnostic Center and Classic Groups of Hotel, Dr. Thangjam Dhabali said, the MBBS students should learn how to act with the patients. He said when the students focus on their syllabus, they seem to forget how to mingle with people. He also said it is important to include public relations in MBBS syllabus.
I would like to again congratulate those freshers who have been successful in this very tough competition and are already through into this profession. And at the same time, I would also on my behalf welcome you to this profession of medical science. Those internees who have completed the course successfully and now have become doctors, I would once again congratulate all of you. The extra advantage for the medical professional is that even if you don't get job in the government sector, you will always have the room for doing a private practice of your own.
A team of Thobal Commando caught 2 men during their drive against sale of LPG cylinder and petroleum products in the black market. The team, led by OC of Commando Thobal Unit Inspector N. Sadananda, under the supervision of SP Thobal K. Meghachandra, carried out the drive at various places in Thobal district since yesterday evening till this morning and managed to nab 2 persons with 190 LPG cylinders, including 51 refilled LPG cylinders and 139 empty LPG cylinders. The 2 men, along with the seized items, have been handed over to Thobal Police Station for further investigation. Meanwhile, a team of Thobal police seized 75 refills and empty LPG cylinders from Singam Jiten, son of S. Toiba from Thobal Okram Maninglekai this evening. The age-old ritual of Kwak Tanba was held today to ward off evil and to bring peace and tranquility in the state. A procession was taken out from Uttara Shanglen Palace till Yai School YSC ground, led by Angom Ningtho, Maiba Hanba, Maichau Purel, Kurai Lakpa, Kwai Lakpa, Wangkai Lakpa, Laifam Lakpa, Ahalup Lakpa, Kabam Lakpa, Naharup Lakpa, and Shanglakpa took part in the ceremony. Lining Tho Mangang Luang Kuman Guru Ahum Thogalup held the ritual of Lining Tho Ipa Kwak Tanba in the Kangla today. Many people coming from various parts of the state took part in the ceremony. The age-old ritual is performed to seek blessings from Lining Tho Ipa for peace, prosperity and harmony in the state. In their efforts to prevent drug abuse in Manipur, Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol KADA, along with Pangal Tabi Mairapai Bilup and Thobal District United Women's Development Organization, organized a symposium on Nisana Kunaida Piba Chaiteng Amasung Masibu Thingbada Miyamgi Thodang at Pangal Tabi Mayai Lekai Community Hall yesterday. National Society for Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON, today organized the 11th Tiro Bhava Mahatsava of Bhakti Ishwar Rupa Damodara Swami Srila Sripada at Sri Sri Radhakrishna Chandra Mani Mandir at Ghari Airport Road today. People offered floral tributes to the Guru on the occasion. Devotees of ISKCON Manipur and members of ISKCON Manipur Women Forum performed Sankirtan on the occasion. .44 Assam Rifles has been accused of stage managing a cleanliness drive under Swachh Bharat mission in a school in Mokokchung town in Nagaland. The incident occurred on September 28 at Edith Douglas Higher Secondary School. Strongly condemning the incident where personnel of 44 Assam Rifles littered and cleaned the school campus, followed by media coverage, the AO Students Conference AKM demanded an apology from 44 Assam Rifles and to surrender any media materials related to the state cleanliness campaign. In a letter to the commandant of 44 Assam Rifles, the AKM said the attention of the students' body was drawn to the cleanliness drive by the Assam Rifles in some private schools in Mokokchung town. It alleged that the school campus was deliberately littered and cleaned by personnel of 44 Assam Rifles and the school children. The student body said Mokokchung is one of the cleanest towns in Nagaland and all schools maintain a very clean and hygienic environment, and it is not necessary to deliberately litter a clean environment just to execute a certain cleanliness program.
अपना लिटरा करके वो सफा करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। जहाँ गंदा है वो सफा करके देखो, वो अच्छा है। वो अच्छा जगह में गंदा करके कभी स्कूल ऐसा होता है क्या? नहीं, वो तो उठाएगा। ना क्लोज करके तो ऐसा डालेगा ना, ऐसा नहीं होगा। ये तो अब कल हर जगह गया स्कूल में। वहाँ गाँव में बेचना है आप लोग, गाँव में बेचना है।
A conference on garbage-free campaign was held today at Youth Guidance Club, Kongba Ketri Lekai. Volunteers of Youth Guidance Club started the campaign more than 1.5 months ago. Speaking at the conference, Chairman of Health and Sanitation Imphal Municipal Corporation, M. Joy Chandra said the club installed the dustbins at different parts of the area to keep the locality neat and clean. He also commented the initiative of the club. Joy Chandra said even IMC faces difficulties as there is lack of manpower and dumping sites, and the new government is taking steps to keep the state neat and clean. Sunshine Motors Luangsangbam today launched e-auto and e-rickshaw named Vidyut. Made by Kalinga Ventures India Private Limited, these types of autos run on electricity and does not pollute the environment. It is basically passenger service and goods carrier vehicle. It is priced at around 1,70,000 rupees. 5 batteries are provided during the purchase. It takes 6 hours to fully charge one battery. The fully charged battery runs for around 100 kilometers. Taking part in the launch of Forest, Environment and Mahut Minister Thaunojam Shyam Kumar maintains that these vehicles will help in preserving the environment.
Pollution total control, air pollution control, economy battery is the mass change the no mother battery Jamuk Puncha Sorokanda, surrounding a boy with the Manapasata, the Tobacanda, Taudo Halaroi. Bakong Tararo. I think President Disapta Tower, Nakunju, Renale, Masum Bama, Kogi, Manipur, Infanda, launching the Weaver, Sikidamata, Manipur government site again. I think with the Tatapa, Numaibam,
as observed across the world, Saitya Thaupang Luba observed the International Translation Day today. The 125th birth anniversary of the renowned Manipuri poet Hijam Anganghal was also celebrated at the event. Translation of the poems of the poet in different languages were also read out on the occasion. The Translation Award in memory of the well-known Manipuri writer Nongthongbam Kunjamohon was presented to Dr. Jodha Chandra Sanasam at the event. Apunba Manipuri Matam Ishe Kanglup Ameka celebrated the 14th Manipuri Matam Ishe Numit today. The event was held at Maharaj Chandrakriti Auditorium, Palace Compound. Theatre personality Dr. Ratan Thiam, who graced the event as the chief guest, launched a journal, Ishe 2017. People also offered floral tributes to the late members of AMIC, and renowned lyricist Kuraijam Pulendro was also honored at the event. Managing Director of HVS Construction Private Limited, H. Vikram, President of AMIC S. Tijendra were among those present at the event. Hoi Kim Chongloi, who bagged a gold medal at the 10th Open National Taekwondo Championship 2017, held recently at Srinagar and Jammu and Kashmir, was felicitated today by Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen on her arrival at Imphal International Airport. Minister Nemcha Kipgen congratulated Hoi Kim on her achievement. She said Manipur is indeed the powerhouse of sports in India, and Hoi Kim's achievement will set an example for all the girls in the field of sports, especially those from the hills and far-flung areas. She expressed the hope that, like Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom, who is also from the tribal community, Hoi Kim will also shine internationally, and assured her of all possible assistance. Hoi Kim Chongloi, who is from Haijang, Kangpokpi district, has so far bagged 2 gold, 4 silver and 7 bronze medals in 53-55 kg category in the national level.
Imong manunggi financial da problem kaya leiragaso tribal nupi macha ama oina mahakna hujik phawbada gold medal ahum silver medal manga bronze medal 3 lorak pa asi nungai ba phawi
akoi sanarwasingda khara mai san khanba adungbudo sarkarna adumaina khara tohanni sarkarna koida players singda khara mai unjahanimba.
The 40th All Manipur Mukna Takhatnabi competition 2017, organized by Ipa Thaukog, kicked off today at Ipa Thaukog Art and Culture Center, Lamphel. Ipa Thaukog, an organization based on art and culture, organizes the competition every year on the last day of Ima Panthoibi Irat, Thauni, to promote the indigenous art from Mukna Takhatnabi. Several Mukna players from different parts of the state took part in the competition. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar said the preservation and conservation of the art form promoted by the forefathers is the responsibility of all the people in the state. Editor-in-Chief of Impact News, Yumnam Rupachandra, assured that Editors Guild Manipur will help in the promotion of this art form. Kakching runners Maya Loishang Kakching organized the first ever Sengmai Turel Lamjel 2017 on the theme Kakching Paudna Teliba Sengmai Turel Kansi Sengmai Turelda Amot Akai Fata Haudi Tausil Loisi Isingna Mioy Begi Thawaini at Kakching today. Kakching MLA Yengkom Surchandra and Additional Commissioner of Income Tax IRS Naurem Banita flagged off the race from the Irabot Park at Kakching Market. More than 100 runners ran along the bank of Sengmai River, which runs through Kakching. Pamphlets to save the Sengmai River were also distributed by the runners to the people. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People pay rich tribute to Jananeta Hijam Irawat on his 121st birth anniversary. Eight trafficked minor Manipuri girls rescued from Myanmar. Police arrest 6 persons involved in their trafficking. Government officers and people join Prime Minister Modi's Swachhta Hi Seva campaign by organizing cleanliness drive. And the Law Minister Jayanta Kumar stresses role of lawyers in delivering justice in the society.